Hello, in front of me I have LEMFO LEM5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the airplane mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen repeatedly until you find the settings icon. Basically it's at the end, right here. Now tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Here scroll down and select the option called Connect. Now scroll down, find the option called Airplane Mode. It's right here. And you can enable the airplane mode by tapping on this option, like this. And to disable it, you can tap on this option again, like that. And once you're done, press the middle button to go back to the watch face. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.